Let's explore how to add filtering capabilities to our To-Do application. We'll implement filters that allow users to view all, active, or completed Todos. This enhancement will significantly improve the user experience. We'll be implementing 3 primary filter types. The first is All, which will display every to-do item in the list. The second is Active, which shows only the incomplete Todos, helping users focus on what needs to be done. The third is Completed, which displays all the finished Todos, providing a sense of accomplishment. To manage our filter, we'll use the useState hook. We declare a state variable called filter and a function setFilter to update this variable. Initially, the filter state is set to all. We also define an array named filters, containing all possible filter options: all, active, and completed. Now, let's implement the logic to filter the Todos based on the current filter state. We create a function called getFilteredTodos. Inside this function, if the filter is equal to active, we filter the Todos array to return only those Todos where completed is false. If the filter is equal to completed, we filter the Todos array to return only those Todos where completed is true. If the filter is neither active nor completed, we return the original Todos array, covering the all case. To allow users to switch between filters, we'll create a set of buttons. We map over the filters array, and for each filter type, we create a button. When a button is clicked, it calls the setFilter function to update the filter state with the corresponding filter type. The button's class name is dynamically set to active if the current filter state matches the filter type, which indicates the currently selected filter. The button's text is capitalized for better readability. Let's add some CSS to style our filter buttons. We use display flex and gap, 10 pixels to arrange the buttons horizontally with some spacing. We style the buttons with padding, a border, and a white background. When a button is active, we change its background color to blue and the text color to white, making it clear which filter is currently applied. Finally, we update our to-do list to render the filtered Todos. Instead of mapping over the original Todos array, we now map over the result of the getFilteredTodos function. This ensures that only the Todos matching the current filter are displayed. The rest of the code remains the same, with each to-do item having a checkbox and a span to display the to-do text. Congratulations, we've successfully implemented filtering in our To-Do application. Users can now dynamically toggle between all, active, and completed Todos. Filter changes are reflected immediately in the user interface, providing a smooth and responsive experience. The To-Do application now has fully functional filtering. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.